Hey guys, AAC mechanic here. Today I'm gonna show you okay, this car came for brake job. See, it's grinding metal to metal. We checked the slides and the calipers to go in. That means none of was the problem, just it's time for brake. Most of the time when your brake is grinding, sometimes the technician don't lube the slides. If they don't see at the name, they should slide every time you hit the brake and release. The piston come forward when release the brake. This should be in action. Okay, if this is stuck in, never been slide moved freely like this, your pads is gonna be grinding against the rotor. Okay, so this one is 2014, the old version. So one of the caliper bolt is in between the right here, the arm, so you need to remove this piece to get this 12mm bolt. This one is free, easily you can remove this one, but this one is hiding. See right there, right there, right there. Yes, it's hiding. So we gotta drop the load, the shock absorber. Then we gotta remove this. It is a 90mm. Those is 90mm. We gotta remove this. Also remove this first. It's like that one. All you gotta do, just little move it down to access the 12mm. You can move this far away. So this is how to easily get them. The new models is free. It is not stuck right here. You don't have to remove. This is a 2014. So right now I'll show you what I did. So the bolt came out of this. I removed the shock absorber because this bolt is too long, so it need more space. That's why I lose the shock absorber and make room for this bolt. That's what I'm doing. So now we can access this 12mm easily. See, you don't have to remove the whole bar. All you gotta do, just loosen it, make a room for the bolt. That's it, easy. The top one is easy, nothing in front of it, or just easy to remove. But this one right here was the problem. So here's how you do it. If you do it on a job, just make sure you got a support jack and jack stand in case you need to wiggle this. Sometimes it's hard, so I use pry bar, pry it a little bit. That's it. And I recommend it. By the way, this here's the quick Harvard Pride, $99 on sale, and this is powerful. You can use it for daily life, easy. Yeah, so it's more powerful and affordable and a good one. I recommended everyone to use it. If you have any question, comment below. I hope you're gonna like this video. I will answer any question. Thank you very much.